Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
New York Times Business.
November 15, 11:13 America New York, stocks jump on hopes of lower inflation. Lower than expected data on wholesale prices and resilient earnings from retailers were cheered by investors.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
November 15, 10:58 America New York, Tesla chair testifies in Elon Musk's compensation trial in Delaware. Second day of trial over Musk's multi-billion-dollar pay package kicked off Tuesday.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. November 15, 10:30 America New York, U.S. panel calls for review of China trade relations. A commission convened by Congress says China engages in unfair trade practices, including subsidizing favored industries and tolerating intellectual property theft.
New York Times Business.
November 15, 10:13 America New York, FTX, collapsed crypto exchange, could owe more than 1 million creditors. In a court filing on Monday, the cryptocurrency exchange said it was in touch with dozens of regulators across the world. The collapsed crypto exchange FTX and its related businesses could owe money to more than 1 million people.
Daily FX Market News.
November 15, 10 o'clock America New York, S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow Jones breakout on soft PPI, resistance overhead. A soft PPI report gave bulls hope on inflation trends as short-term breakouts in the S&P and NASDAQ continued. The Dow is working very near a spot of long-term resistance. Global economy.
November 15, 9:46 America New York, Australia Prime Minister seeks end to China's trade sanctions. Anthony Albanese says Bali meeting with Xi Jinping a step towards stabilizing ties.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
November 15, 9:12 America New York, U.S. supplier price increases eased in October. The Producer Price Index, which generally reflects supply conditions in the economy, climbed 8% on a 12-month basis in October, a slight easing from September's revised 8.4% increase.
BBC News Business.
November 15, 8:39 America New York, no uniform choice for Virgin Atlantic crew on World Cup flight. The airline's gender-neutral uniform policy does not apply to staff flying the England team to Doha.
BBC News Business.
November 15, 8:32 America New York, Made.com collapse, Nottingham auction house to sell off stock. It comes after the online furniture retailer collapsed, leading to hundreds of job losses. New York Times Business.
November 15, 8:16 America New York, why the G20 summit matters to investors. Stocks rallied in Asia on Tuesday following a historic meeting between President Biden and his Chinese counterpart, Xi Jinping. The handshake that lifted markets.
Daily FX Market News.
November 15, 7:45 America New York, U.S. dollar price outlook, DXY sell-off gains momentum as event risk slows. The dollar sell-off continued this morning as scheduled event risk quietens down this week. Mass dollar repositioning and dovish rhetoric from the Fed eyes further declines.
BBC News Business.
November 15, 6:31 America New York, Heinz, Dolmio and Anchor. Top food brands see prices soar. The price of some popular branded foods have as much as doubled in 2 years, which, research suggests.
Daily FX Market News. November 15, 6:30 America New York, gold price rallies further on U.S. dollar weakness, resistance lies ahead. Gold is heading back towards $1,800 per ounce, a level not seen in over 3 months as the sell-off in the U.S. dollar continues.
Global economy.
November 15, 6:21 America New York, luxury market forecast to grow despite global recession fears. Research predicts €353 billion sector will expand by, at least, 3% to 8% in 2023.
Global economy.
November 15, 4:43 America New York, Landsec swings to loss as London office valuations drop. Commercial landlord says outlook is increasingly challenging as interest rate rises bite.
Marginal revolution.
November 15, 1:09 America New York, what rises and falls in status through the FTX story. More than one Mr. Reader has requested this post, so here goes. rises common sense morality, common sense investing rules, American corporate governance boards, and nervousness about related party transactions.